Life today moves at an incredible pace. With so many distractions, stress, and endless responsibilities, one question arises: how do we find peace amidst the chaos? The answer lies in a timeless practice, meditation. Today, we'll explore how to meditate, step by step, in a way that anyone, no matter where you are in life, can begin this incredible journey. First, let's understand what meditation truly is. Contrary to popular belief, meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about observing them without judgment and training your mind to focus. Think of it as a workout for your brain, but instead of lifting weights, you are strengthening awareness and clarity. Step 1. Choose a comfortable space. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. It could be your bedroom, a corner in your home, or even a park. Make sure this space feels calming to you. If possible, turn off your phone or set it to Do Not Disturb mode to eliminate interruptions. Step 2. Sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. You don't have to sit cross-legged if it's uncomfortable. Sit on a chair, on the floor, or even lie down, though sitting is recommended to keep you alert. Keep your back straight but relaxed, and rest your hands on your knees or lap. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Feel the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. The simple act of paying attention to your breath anchors your mind in the present moment. Step 4. Acknowledge and release thoughts. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. Thoughts will come, like, did I turn off the stove? Or, I need to finish that email. When they do, don't get frustrated. Simply acknowledge them, let them pass, and gently return your focus to your breath. Meditation isn't about perfect stillness, it's about training your mind to come back to the present. Step 5. Use a timer. Set a timer for how long you'd like to meditate. For beginners, start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. You don't need to meditate for hours to see the benefits, even a few minutes can make a difference. Step 6. Guided meditations. If you are unsure where to start, guided meditations can be incredibly helpful. Apps like Headspace, Calm, or YouTube videos provide step-by-step guidance, making it easier to stay focused. Step 7. Practice daily. The key to meditation is consistency. Practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, you'll notice changes, reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of inner peace. Common misconceptions. Now, let's address a few common myths about meditation. First, you don't need to be a monk or sit in perfect silence to meditate. It's a practice for everyone. Second, there's no right way to meditate. It's okay if your mind wanders. What matters is your effort to bring it back. And third, meditation doesn't give instant results. Like any habit, its effects build over time. Benefits of meditation. Research shows that meditation can lower stress, improve focus, enhance emotional well-being, and even boost your immune system. It's a simple yet powerful tool to improve your overall quality of life. So, are you ready to take your first step into the world of meditation? Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every day, even if just for a few moments. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how this simple practice transforms your mind and life. Thank you for watching, and may your journey into meditation bring you peace and clarity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.